Hi, presenting the all-new Mercedes E-Class 2025, a masterpiece of German engineering that redefines luxury, performance, and innovation. Just one look at this striking front grille, accentuated by the classic Mercedes emblem, tells you everything you need to know about its commanding presence on the road. The redesigned LED headlights are sharper, more futuristic, and provide optimal visibility whether you're cruising the highways or navigating city streets. Every angle of this vehicle exudes sophistication and modernity. Elegance redefined. From the side profile, we see the E-Class 2025's aerodynamic silhouette, sleek yet muscular. The smooth lines that run across the bodywork are a testament to its refined aesthetics, with a metallic finish that radiates under any light. The attention to detail in the body design ensures not only beauty but also better fuel efficiency and reduced wind noise, giving you that extra layer of comfort on every drive. And just look at those 19-inch alloy wheels, designed for both performance and elegance. These wheels aren't just for show, they provide a firm grip on the road while ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Panoramic glass roof. Up top, you'll find the stunning panoramic glass roof, giving both the driver and passengers a taste of the open sky. Whether you're cruising during the day or stargazing at night, the expansive glass brings the outside world in, adding a sense of openness and freedom to the cabin. It's not just about aesthetics. The sunroof is equipped with advanced UV protection and noise insulation, ensuring the cabin remains comfortable no matter the weather. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by interior that truly embodies luxury. The Mercedes E-Class 2025 offers a fully digital dashboard with a massive infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with the curved OLED display. The ambient lighting, customizable to your mood, runs across the dashboard and door panels, enhancing the cabin's futuristic look. The seats are covered in high-quality leather, offering both heating and ventilation features. The craftsmanship inside is unmatched, ensuring every ride feels like a first-class experience. Technology is at your fingertips. The advanced MUX hyperscreen spans the entire dashboard, making navigation, media, and vehicle settings easily accessible. From controlling the climate to adjusting seat positions and even changing driving modes, everything is intuitive and responsive. The steering wheel itself comes with haptic feedback touch controls, allowing you to interact with the car's features without taking your eyes off the road. Safety features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera make every drive not just luxurious but safe. Rear view and taillights. At the rear, the elegant LED taillights feature a unique, modern design, ensuring that the E-Class stands out even from behind. The dual exhausts add a sporty touch, hinting at the power under the hood. Whether you're looking for style, innovation, or performance, the Mercedes E-Class 2025 delivers on all fronts. This is more than just a car, it's a statement. Welcome to the future of luxury driving. Experience the unparalleled combination of luxury, technology, and power. This is the Mercedes E-Class 2025, where every journey feels extraordinary,